औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास 9th। I hope so inshallah you will be good and in best condition of your health and iman. Today we will do lesson number 3, use of has and have. They are used to show possession, relationships and characteristics. Possession mean owner of something. दैट्स मीन कि जब हमारे पास कोई चीज़ होती है, हम किसी चीज़ के मालिक होते हैं, तो हम हैज़ और हैव का यूज़ करते हैं। द बेसिक रूल्स ऑफ यूजिंग हैज़ एंड हैव इन सब्जेक्ट्स आई, यू, वी, दे एंड प्लूरल नाउन वी विल यूज़ हैव, एंड with he, she, it and singular noun we will use has. In negative sentences you will follow two formulas. Number 1, simple. For example, I have a book, I have no a book. But this is old. Now in modern English and especially in spoken English, when we do the negative sentences and interrogative sentences of the use of has and have, here are some changes. For example, subject plus do not and does not, plus have and object. For example, I don't have a bag. In old English, we said that I have no bag. I have no bags, okay? But now in modern English, you will use I don't have a bag. And interrogative sentences, as you saw that in negative sentences, we use don't know or does not know. Here we will use do or does in the starting of the sentence, and subject plus have plus object and question mark. For example, do they have a house? So see the further examples of our English grammar of class 9th. Here in this book we have a full exercise which I have translated for you here. Let's start. लड़कों के पास किताबें हैं. The boys have a few books. This is positive sentence, so we use the boys have a few books. चंद किताबें करने के लिए हम जो हैं वो few बोलेंगे. पास किताबें हैं या चंद किताबें हैं, यहाँ पे हम लोग few जो हैं वो लगाएंगे. मेरे बटुए में कुछ नहीं. I have nothing in my wallet. पर्स भी कह सकते हैं. And there is nothing in my purse or wallet. कुत्ते के गले में खूबसूरत पटाख है. The dog has a beautiful collar around its neck. हमारे पास गैर मुल्की रेडियो सेट है. We have a foreign radio set. तुम्हारे पास कलम क्यों नहीं है? Why have you not a pen? Now I also translated here the modern English. Why don't you have a pen? क्या हिरन की 4 टांगे नहीं होती? Have the deer no 4 legs? It is simple use of have. Don't deer have 4 legs? इन औरतों के पास जेवर नहीं है. Those women have no jewelry. Those women don't have any jewelry. See the next sentence. इस गरीब लड़के के पास जूता नहीं है. This poor boy has no shoe. This poor boy doesn't have any shoes. Okay. In first sentence, I use has because has used with a singular noun. But when we use doesn't, so with doesn't we will use have. So don't be confused because I am clearing here. क्या तुम्हारे दोस्त के पास घड़ी नहीं है? Doesn't your friend have a watch? हमारे पास नया मकान है. We have a new house. अमीर आदमी बड़ा बाग रखता है. The rich man has a new garden or a big garden. क्या आपके पास लाइसेंस है? Have you a license? And do you have a license? You will see here I write the spellings 2 times with S and C. Lessons spelling with S are American English and lesson spellings with C are British English. क्या बढ़ई के पास आरी नहीं है? Has the carpenter no saw? Doesn't the carpenter have a saw? लोहार के पास हथौड़ा नहीं है. The blacksmith doesn't have a hammer. The blacksmith has no hammer. क्या मुसाफिरों के पास सामान नहीं है? Have the passengers no luggage? Doesn't the यहाँ पे आप डू नोट लगाएंगे. Do the passengers have no luggage? क्या तोता सुर्ख चोंच नहीं रखता है? Has the parrot no red beak? Doesn't the parrot have a red beak? So this was our lesson number 3, the use of has and have as possession. Okay, please stay connected. If you like my video, then don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel Learn English with Uzma Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.